Hey all my beautiful people, what's poppin'? It's Lakeisha and I am back with a video, and if you haven't as yet, make sure you go like, comment and subscribe. And to all my new followers, welcome, and my old followers, hi. So if you want to see how I achieve this nice beautiful golden look, then go ahead and watch the video and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Next, I'm going to go in with my Vanicream, my moisturizing cream, because I want my skin to be hydrated. I'm just going to blend this all in. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. primer, and I'm just going to apply that over the face. Gloss on. My lips feel so dry, so I'm going to put some lip gloss on. So now I'm going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to color correct all the areas that need to be color corrected. Now that we've color corrected all the areas that need to be color corrected, we're going to go in with our foundation. And I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Hydrating Foundation. And this is in the shade 9R9C font, Deep Cool. This is the foundation I'll be using today. All we need is one pump. Blend that on the face. I usually use brushes. One time ago I used beauty blenders, but I really don't anymore. It gives a nice coverage, but I just feel like for some reason I rather my brushes. So I'm just going to go in with my brush and still work that in a bit, even though I don't see nothing wrong. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Hollow Glow. Nothing too harsh. So I'm going to be using these two blushes today. So we're going to put So now let's start setting the face. Now we're going to set our contour. Next, we're going to set everywhere we applied foundation. Next, we're going to go in with our blush. Now we're going to go and set under the eyes. So we're going to apply another layer of concealer to make sure that everything is ready to go. One dot is all we need. So let's go in with our powder. We're going to do this coming up. We're going to go in with our banana. Who doesn't love a fresh beat? Like, come on, boo, come on.